So I'm doing this wrong. I'm supposed to chew this till it's a very little piece in my mouth, and then I wash it off with Coke. Just a little bit of, just a little sip, nothing much. Okay, take 2. Apparently, the best way to get high here is to combine chat with Coke. So let's see how it does. Chat in general is, it's okay. I won't say it's crazy, but let's see the effects. So we are getting high traditional Ethiopian style. This is chat. Yes. How do you say it? Chat. Muna, please assist. So this is what it looks like.
I don't know what that is.
I have no idea how to do it.
I don't know what that is.
We just take leaves and
Yeah, leaves only like this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, keep eating. And then we chew.
Yeah. Like chewing gum. It's not completely eat.
Okay.
Little bit out like a juice. It's like
You don't do that. You just...
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what it does. Somewhat euphoric. Somewhat euphoric after a session of chat. It's time to have a session of Amharic and other languages we learned. Only one. So, first one is how to say hello.
salam.
Salam. Muna. Very good. You wouldn't change it? No. Very good. How to say thank you? That's a popular one and very needed one.
Yeah. I'm a
Okay, we're stuck in traffic, so the sound may not the best, but it's nice. Okay. Amesekenello means thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is kojo. I have no idea. I forgot what it means. It means great.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Kojo lady means, how do you say kojo lady?
Konjo. Conjosate. Conjosate.
Conjosate. Okay, very good. What else we need? Chikarilla?
Chikarilla.
Chikarilla means I don't care. No problem.
No problem.
No problem. Okay. What else we have? Food. Mikke?
Make
Mikke.
Yeah.
Some other words.
In heat.
In heat?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go in heat. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good
Nah.
one.
Now.
Na.
Come.
Come.
Yes.
She.
Okay.
Is she?
Okay, yes.
That means okay.
Au. It's the same. Is she? Au. Same words.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
And the bunna.
Andebuna.
One coffee.
One cup. Oh, andebuna. Oh, that's an important one.
Yeah.
That's a typical Ethiopian one. I don't want to eat. How do you say I don't want to eat? I'm not hungry.
Albelam.
Alibela.
Yeah.
Albelam.
Alibela. Okay. I think that covers pretty much whatever I wanted to say here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
End of session.